Hi guys, welcome back to another video. But people, 2023 just roll up and we like this, see? 2022 gone. It's a new year. It's a new beginning. Yes, me understand. Last year was very difficult for many. Some people it was great. But I want to thank you all for your support in 2022. And I wish for everybody love, happiness, peace, success, and all the best wishes there to give. So for that, I say Happy New Year in 2023. Here is the countdown: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2023, here we come. 2022 going. Happy New Year, son.
Happy New Year to you too.
Yes. But you have to say to them, best wishes for you all, guys, and I hope for you nothing but the best. Best wishes.
Yeah, man.
Nothing but blessings and success to everyone, yeah? Happy 2023, Happy New Year to everyone. I wish you all the best.
Happy New Year's, everyone. London fireworks always look nice. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited. Oh, and I just can't hide it. 2023, here we come. Yes, guys. Thank you all for your support. So beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah. I love it. Such a beautiful place. We should all live in love, peace, and unity. Show love and you will get back love. Show kindness, you get back kindness. Anything you put out in the universe, that's what you're gonna receive. Fireworks pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. London, come out strong, you know. Dino, London, come out strong. wish I was in Jamaica, but I'm here, so I give God thanks.
Yeah.
2023 gonna be a great year for me. I
Yeah.
can feel it in my bones. People, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.